Hi everyone, welcome to the Dreamer. Today, we're going to explore the beautiful and calming pose called Padmasana, or Lotus Pose. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned yogi, this pose can help you deepen your meditation practice and improve your flexibility. What is Padmasana? Padmasana is one of the most iconic yoga poses, often used for meditation. The name comes from the Sanskrit word, Padma, meaning lotus. This seated posture resembles a blooming lotus flower and symbolizes purity, beauty, and awakening. It's a pose that encourages stillness, both in body and mind. Benefits of Padmasana. Now, let's talk about the benefits of Padmasana. First, it helps with improving posture by aligning the spine, which is great for people who spend long hours sitting. It enhances flexibility in the hips and knees and also promotes inner calm and focus, making it ideal for meditation. Regular practice can reduce stress and anxiety, and boost your overall well-being. Step-by-step instructions. Let's dive into how to practice Padmasana. First step, start by sitting on the floor with your legs extended. Second step, gently bend your right knee and place your right foot on your left thigh, with the sole facing upwards. Third step, now, bend your left knee and place your left foot on your right thigh in the same way. Fourth step, keep your spine straight, shoulders relaxed, and hands resting on your knees in any mudra of your choice. 5. Focus on your breathing, taking slow, deep breaths. Hold this position for a few minutes or as long as you're comfortable. Tips for beginners. If you're new to Padmasana, don't worry. Flexibility comes with time. You can modify the pose by placing one foot on the opposite thigh while keeping the other leg folded underneath. It's important not to force the pose, listen to your body and work within your comfort zone. You can also practice hip opening stretches like butterfly pose to prepare for Padmasana. Common mistakes to avoid. A common mistake is forcing the legs into the full lotus position, which can strain the knees. Always ease into the pose slowly. Another is slouching or hunching the back. Keep your spine upright to maintain proper alignment. Padmasana is a wonderful way to connect with your inner self, improve flexibility, and deepen your meditation practice. Remember, yoga is a journey, so take it at your own pace. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments how Padmasana has helped you. Namaste.